In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Load More button under products in Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted your product listings to feel lighter and more approachable, a Load More button is a great alternative to long, endless scrolling or traditional pagination. It lets shoppers explore at their own pace, keeps pages fast, and still gives you control over how much content appears at once. Start by opening your site in the Wix Studio editor. At the very top left of the editor, look for the page selector. This menu lists all the pages in your project. Open it and choose your category page. This is the dynamic page that displays your store's products by category. So making the change here ensures it applies where shoppers browse collections. Once you're on the category page, click directly on your product grid. This is the element that lays out your products in rows and columns. When it's selected, you'll see a floating toolbar appear near the grid. If you don't see it, double check that you've selected the grid itself and not a surrounding section or container. On that floating toolbar, click Settings. A small panel will slide open. This panel controls how the grid behaves and displays items from your store. On the left side of the panel, switch to the Settings tab if it's not already active. Here, look for the option labeled Scroll Behavior. This setting determines how more products are revealed as a visitor explores the page. Open the scroll behavior options and choose Load More button. This tells Wix Studio to show a clear button beneath the products so visitors can reveal additional items on demand. It's a simple change with a big impact on usability. You reduce the initial load, maintain a clean layout, and let shoppers decide when they want to see more. A quick tip as you set this: if your grid is connected to your store's product data, the Load More control will respect your grid's item limit per batch. That helps you balance performance and design. Also, if you don't immediately notice the button in the editor, try viewing the page in preview where the live behavior is easier to see with real product counts. And that's it. You've switched your product grid to use a Load More button, giving your category pages a smoother, more focused shopping experience without overwhelming visitors. Keep building with this in mind, and your customers will have a faster, more intentional way to browse your products.